Hey guys, what is going on? In today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing. As you can tell right here, this is another KAWS sculpture. This is the latest KAWS sculpture that has been released. This one was released on December 12th and I just got it for Christmas, so we're going to be opening this one up. This is the brown colored one. It also was released in gray and in black, the three classic colors that KAWS usually likes to release his sculptures in. So this one's a little bit different from all the other companions and the most recent releases, because this one actually comes in a box. All the other ones just came in a plastic bag with a plastic casing and everything was see-through. You could see the sculpture right away. But this one, you got the KAWS sketch on the front with the sculpture, and it says KAWS at the top. Clean Slate Open Edition, KAWS 18. This was, like I said, released this year, December 2018. And the box itself is brown, like that brownish color, and it's textured. I don't know if you can see, but it has X's on all the sides. It's kind of hard to tell because of the lighting in here, but it has the signature KAWS X's all over the sides, the top, the bottom. I guess depending on how you put it, the top, the bottom. The only place that doesn't have it and it's completely smooth is the bottom or back of the box. Of course, you got your authenticity sticker from Medicom. This is a Medicom toy, or sculpture, I should say. So let's get started right away and open it. This is really, like, the box itself feels like really good quality. Not that any other KAWS product doesn't, but this is just different because, like I said, this one comes in a box as opposed to a plastic bag. Black inside, just plain. And here it is. A whole lot of packaging and plastic and styrofoam to protect it. This is also the biggest one that I have in my collection. I can already tell that this is the heaviest and the biggest one out of all my collection. So let's get started and open it. I don't know if this came so you could pull on it and take it out. Doesn't look like it, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oops. I think I might just flip it on the back there and let it fall. There you go. That was probably the easiest way. Okay, so again, styrofoam casing, plastic everywhere, plastic, lid here, and then more styrofoam, more protection. This is more styrofoam to keep the sculpture in place, and then we got more styrofoam up here, more foam protection, and then just straight up the sculpture. Let's take it out of here. Let me see. Oh, this guy's heavy. This guy's heavy. Alright, so let's put this aside, and here it is, guys. This is by far the heaviest KAWS sculpture that I own in my collection, and the tallest one by far. This one's awesome. The amount of this is the first time that I'm seeing this, and the amount of detail, just like any other KAWS release, wow, it's awesome. That same vinyl smell that I love. And here it is, guys. Two little guys. The little dudes also have X's on the eyes, the hands, and on the feet. This one, as you can tell, Medicom China, KAWS 18, Clean Slate. It doesn't say Open Edition. Most of these Open Edition sculptures have Open Edition on the feet. I don't know why this one doesn't, but again, this one is different from all the other ones because it comes in a box. It's the biggest one in recent years, and it doesn't say Open Edition on the bottom of the foot. This is pretty fixed. I mean, the head turns a little bit. This guy doesn't really move. I mean, it kind of sorta moves a little bit. I don't think it's meant to. And yeah, check it out, guys. This is awesome. This is probably my favorite one now, just because it's so big and it's so intricate in detail. So let me know what you guys think at the bottom in the comments. And again, thank you all for watching my videos and subscribing and leaving comments. Yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.